representing the Davao City Boxing Gym, Gian Bustamante. And his opponent across the ring, he also weighed in at 52 kilograms. He hails from Jose Abad Santos and producing Gino Sabia. This bout is scheduled for 3 rounds, 2 minutes per round and 1 minute interval.
Jose Abad Santos, Davao Occidental.
And the sounds of Avia Moralde. Round 1.
Si Gian Bustamante, palarong pangbansa qualifier from Moralde Boxing Gym, Davao City. Ha? Grabe. Relax ha. Galing ng boxer na to, guys. Oh! Galing yung punta sa Santos Gian Bustamante, palarong pagbansa, qualifier.
Boxer red, he is a referee. Dura lang.
Gian Bustamante, spotted sa South Amidan, mga idol ha. Spotted. Palarong pagbansa, qualifier. Wow! Grabe! Ang ganda ng kombinasyon mga idol. Wow! Ayan na. Grabe! Hey! Yumakap na.
Neutral red.
Ay, surrender.
And keeper.
Grabe, lakas ng boxer na to. Sa Moralde Boxing Gym, Davao City. Palarong pangbansa qualifier. Idol. Grabe ang lakas na. Winner by TKO, Gian Bustamante.
Shout out taga Davao.
Shout out coach at
Next
Abad
bout,
Santos.
duel na dari, Pantilan and Castrodes, duel awarding the prizes. Ladies and gentlemen, result of the bout. Referee starts the contest at 1 minute and 35 seconds in round 1. Your winner by technical knockout, red corner, Gian Bustamante of Davao City.
Moralde Boxing Gym, Davao City. Palarong pangbansa qualifier mga idol.
1,000 pesos and Jimar Sabia of Jose Abad Santos will receive 700 pesos. And of course, awarding the prizes is our event organizer, Mr.